Everyone's slide tool promises the same thing. Type a topic and get the text. So when I opened ZooClaw, I expected another template generator. What I got instead was an AI agent that researches your topic first, cite its sources, and only then builds the presentation inside a full workspace, not a standalone slide app. So today I'm putting ZooClaw's PPT agent to a real test. I will give one prompt and I want to see how much of the actual thinking, research, source structure it does on its own versus how much I will still have to fix by hand. So let's get started. To access ZooClaw, you need to come on this domain called zooclaw.ai and you have to sign in with your Google account. Now something will look like this. Now before going into main thing, what you can do is you can click on their logo and it will take you to their documentation where they have given all the instruction how you can integrate into your pipeline, everything they have written, how to use an advanced method, channel logs as well. So if you got any question regarding the ZooClaw, you can visit their page. Now let's move and go to their dashboard. This is the main dashboard where ZooClaw does his job. In the center, you will see there is a chat option where you can chat with the different agent. Right now, I have chosen the PPT Master agent, which create PPT for ourselves. So in the left side, we have some navigation bar. In this left side, you will see there is an option of agent builder. You can basically create your own agent over here. And then we have this agent marketplace where you can hire specialized agent for your work. For example, I have hired this PPT Master. What it does is basically build around design DNA synthesis. It has different skills like automatic visual styling, read your topics, audience, and then we have integration as well. Now then we have schedules. With the help of schedule, you can basically add a job to your calendar. Then we have this plugins. You can basically connect different application with your ZooClaw like Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive. So if you are working in Google Docs and you have data in Google Docs, with the help of plugins, you can directly send that data to the ZooClaw to build a PPT. So you don't need to juggle between copy pasting. Now then we have the skills. There are a lot of terms of skill which are basically pre-written tools for your work. Then we have knowledge base where you can upload your knowledge base to the ZooClaw so he will learn about your specific job. Then we have channels. Channels is where like you can add Telegram or a Slack directly accessing that ZooClaw into your channels. Like you can connect with the Telegram as well. And one thing which I like about they have given the setup method as well. If you want to connect with the Telegram, you can just go with the connect with the guidance and click on the get started, and you can see he is giving all the instruction which I have to follow to set up ZooClaw into Telegram. So I will not do that. If you want to set up ZooClaw into your Telegram or Slack, you can follow these steps. So let me just cross, and then we have library where you will see if you have created PPT, all come here. Then at the bottom you have my teams. You will see your agent which you hired from the marketplace. So now let's move and create our first PPT with the help of our specialized PPT master. Click on it, and then here you will see there are some default models are available which you can choose based on your needs. So I have this prompt to create a use of AI agent in marketing. Audiences like marketing manager, and I want to create at least 6 to 8 slides with the real world impact and strategy outlook. I will just send it. So, okay, he has generated us this PPT, and earlier he was asking a lot of questions like whether I have the presentation template or not. I will tell you how you can use the presentation template as well. But for now, he has generated us this HTML presentation and see how it looks like. So there we go. The text, this text is not clearly visible. I mean, like he sucks in designing, I guess. But even though I don't have the pro subscription, maybe that's the case, I guess, in the designing concept. But the research and the content which he has put, it's like crazy about global AI market explosive growth projected to be 107 billion right now. Market size is 64 billion. Adoption rate is 78%. Key insights he has given. And then we have this adoption and trajectory. In 2024, there was 50% people, and then we have 80, 90, and source is given by AI marketing adoption statistic in 2026. It means he has presented data in a very good manner, and also he has given the source as well, so we can go and check this out whether it is true or not. Let me just go. This is omnibound.ai. So he pulls data from, I guess, AI website. So okay, he pulls all the data and presented in this graphic. So which is, I guess, good. I can see this data is very raw. And then we have this 6 key AI trend reshaping market. I guess because he likes designing in free version, maybe in pro version he does a very good job. I have seen some of the people who are using this ZooClaw.ai doing in designing, but because I'm using free version, that's the maybe case. Now you can see resources as well. Now let's say if you want to some give let's say if you want to have some changes, what you can do is you can convert this HTML file into the PPT format as well. So I will just tell him and I will just send this. Can you please convert this file so I can open this in PowerPoint? Let me wait for response. So now it has converted this .html file into the action. Let me just test it out. Let's see if it works correctly. Oh, there we go. There we have. And as you can see, it has converted everything into PPT. Now, best thing is I can open this file which is created by ZooClaw and directly in my PPT. So if something goes wrong here, if I want to make some changes, I can make directly into this PowerPoint. So yeah, if you want to give a human touch to your presentation, you can do that as well. And this is the best thing I feel about this ZooClaw, that you can basically do across platforms. Like if you have a Google document or Google document, then you can basically convert that into Google Docs. And if you have PPT, then PowerPoint, then you can convert this into PowerPoint as well. So that's the advantage of using ZooClaw. This is the best feature which I like. Till now, he has basically researched all by himself, find all the resources, put good graphics on it, and give us this beautiful deck slide. Now, I'm not saying this is the best, but this is in free version, so I can't expect more in the free version. Or like other tools, they only give you one prompt, and if you want to try it out by yourself, you can try it out. And one more thing I liked about this is they have some pre-built templates which you can use to build your own versions. So let me just show you. So this is the ZooClaw.ai tips, where you will find some of the templates based on your category, like dark if you want, light. They have a lot of, and it doesn't feel sloppy. If you want to remix this into your slide deck, you can do that as well. For example, let's say I want to remix with this slide deck. I want some paper animation and this kind of graphics in my presentation. I can just click on that template and remix with the ZooClaw and give all the data to him, and it will convert that template into my personalized slide deck. So as you can see, I have just selected the template. For example, this is my topic. I haven't entered the topic, but started working on it and still fetching the information. I guess he will choose the topic by himself and it is working on it. So it will convert whatever data I will give. You can basically just dump all the data if you have and build a presentation around it. So Zoho has a lot of advantage of using it. Like already I have told you that he can research, he can be a best research for you, and he has different models like Claude Fable 5, which is great at researching things. Then we have Opus 5 and very less prices, which you can buy. If you talk about the pricing of this, then let me just go to credits, then go to active plans. Then you will get two plans, monthly plans and annually. Monthly plans, you can try it out for 7 days for free. Just you have to put some debit card details over here and you will not get any bill. If you want to cancel this after 7 days, you can cancel it. So if you want to give it a try, you can basically try by yourself. So yeah, that's it all today. And one more thing which I forget to mention, that it has cross-platform advantage. Means if you want to build base here and want to make changes into different tools, you can do that as well. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.